Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy 2026. This being my first video, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm sharing how I make my easy homemade tomato sauce using fresh ingredients only, with no tomato paste. If you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, watch and comment at Sienna. Also, don't forget to hit that subscription button to always get the notification. To start, I start by rinsing my tomatoes and onion. I'm using 4 ripe tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, a tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of sugar to balance the acidity, oil and little water so as to blend everything, as you can see in my video guys. Now here I blend everything together until smooth, then pour the mixture directly into a cooking pot, as you can see in my video guys. I started cooking on a low heat. Stirred immediately to prevent the sauce from sticking or burning at the bottom and help it cook evenly, as you can see in my video guys. As it cooked, the water slowly reduced and the sauce naturally thickened, developing a rich flavor, as you can see in my video, guys. Once ready, I turned off the heat and allowed the sauce to cool completely, as you can see in my video, guys. Once it cooled down, I then stored it in a clean tin container for later use, as you can see in my video, guys. Later, I had to use them on my potato wedges to feel how it tasted, and this was the joyous moment. I really enjoyed this since it was such a natural homemade tomato sauce. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe for more easy home cooking. It was your host, Beculenciana. Love you all. Bye.